Hello children, how are you? I hope you are fine and well at your home. This is your Aarti teacher welcomes you all on e-learning class Standard 4, subject Social Science, and our topic is the work we do. Children, you have learned different types of work, importance of work, and every work is important and we should respect all occupation. Today we are going to solve some value based question from your book. So see carefully and write answer on your notebook. Madhur is 18 years old. He is a son of a lawyer. During his childhood, he enjoyed dressing and acting like a soldier. Now, he wants to join the army, but his father does not agree with his decision. List the qualities that he has to convince his father. So, children, Mayur want to become soldier, but their parents do not agree for his decision. So you have to write answer. How can Mayur convince his father? Next question is, what was the occupation of your grandfather? Are his children following the same occupation? It means your father following the occupation of your grandfather. Give two reasons in support of your answer. So children, think and discuss with your parents about this question and write answer and show me. And next question is, your neighbor has hired an underage girl or boy for cleaning the house. What action can you take to stop the wrong practice? Children, you know very well. Child labor is a big problem in our country. Thousands of poor children have to work to fulfill the needs of their families. They do not have a chance to play and enjoy their childhood. So, what will you do for that child? And you know one thing also, Indian law bans the employment of children below the age of 14. Every child has a right to free and compulsory education up to 14 years of age, because education is the right of every child. So, it is the duty of each and every person to make sure that every child go to school. Many schools give free midday meals, uniform and books to needy children. So children, write your opinion about this question. I hope you understood. We will meet in next class with new information. Bye. Have a nice day.